Far infrared is an energy, is perceived heat energy. For this case, Amega Global, we use our Combi bracelet, which combines biomagnetic and far infrared. It is an essential and beneficial for human beings. When far infrared is activated by heat, it emits energy, that absorb into human cells and causing a phenomena. It is called resonance. Germanium, it's a semiconductor element that has a band gap that allows it to use efficiently and respond to infrared light. It is transparent to far infrared, has unique absorbing powers. How does it work, far infrared? Number one, it's far infrared expands the capillaries, which stimulates increasing flow of blood, regenerating circulation and oxygenation. Number two, far infrared is excellent for detoxification. Scientists in Japan has reported that in the far infrared treatment of clogged capillary vessels, heat expands and capillaries and then initiates the start of a process to dissolve hidden toxins. Far infrared therapy promotes and eliminates of fats, chemicals and toxin from the blood, poison, gynecological heavy metals, toxic substance, food processing, lactic acids, free fatty acid, and a lot more other things. Furthermore, it will activate the glands to accumulate cosmetic in pores that can eliminate through the skin, which means detoxification can be done. Your body can detox it through the skin. Example, sweat and oil glands rather than by the kidneys. The third one, far infrared stimulates enzyme activities and metabolism. Far infrared heat also breaks down cellulite, trapped water, fat, and waste. Far infrared promotes the killing of pathogenic diseases causing, example like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. The fifth, far infrared promotes rebuilding of injured tissues by having a positive effect on the fibroblast, which means the connection tissues and cells if necessary to repair the injury. Furthermore, it increases growth of cells, DNA synthesis and protein synthesis, all necessary during tissue repair and regeneration. Excellent for healing burns, scar, tissues, and skin problems. Far infrared relieves nervous tension and relax autoneural muscles, which means thereby it helps the body to make the most of its intended healing abilities. Far infrared, or FIR, reduces the soreness of nerves endings and muscle spasm as muscle fibers are being heated. Far infrared strengthens the immune system by stimulating increased production of white blood cells by the bone marrow and killer T cells by the thalamus. Far infrared strengthens the cardiovascular system, causing the heart rate and the cardiac output to increase, and diastolic blood pressure decreases. Extensive research by NASA in the early 1980s led to the conclusion that far infrared stimulation of cardiovascular functions would be ideal to maintain the cardiovascular condition in American astronauts during long space flight.